Hey everyone, Rarity Dash here, time for another blind commentary. And for this week's non-MLP fanwork reaction, I'm doing another Avatar related video. This one is called Avatar: The Last Puppet-Bender, Hot Air, and it was suggested by Vupsi, Sasami-chan, and James A. Williams. And, yeah, Puppet-Bender, that is a very odd title. Sounds like this could be pretty interesting, or, potentially terrifying. Puppets are kind of weird. Though I guess we'll see how it is. Anyway, let's get started. Okay. And here we go. TVY7SP. Going for authenticity there. Avatar: The Last Puppet-Bender, or Der Legend La Puppet Ang. For non-American. Sounds about right. Oh, wow.
Lord Ozai, your reign of tyranny is over!
Wow. Okay, yeah. Super Mario reference? Why not? $11.5. Nice puppet oppa there.
It's all my fault. I failed.
Wow.
I'm the worst avatar ever. Our friends are in Fire Nation prison, and it's all my fault. What? No objections? Hey, I'm not gonna argue with you when you're right. It was all your fault.
Wow. Pretty harsh there, Sokka.
Where's Katara?
Good question.
Who? Katara? Your sister? My what now? Katara! And Toph for that matter. Where are they? You know, the characters geared toward the female demographic. You're being ridiculous.
Yeah, we're...
There's no girls in the Avatar universe. There's not.
What?
Of course not. Just ask Mattel.
Oh, okay.
This is it. I know what my destiny is now. It only took me 51 episodes to do that, but that's still shorter than most Naruto fight sequences.
True.
What's that? A Fire Nation dodgeball. I mean balloon. And is that Zuko? Appa! Get us out of here, boy! Yip! Wait, I'm not here to fight you. What did he say? I don't know. I can't hear with all this noise. I said, I'm not here to fight you. You're not here to fine-tune? Fine-tune what, you nutter? What'd you say about my mother?
Wow.
Did he just call me his brother? Oh, he's talking jive. These stinking trust fund babies think they're all so down with the hood. Yeah, that's right. I'm now good. And I wanted to tell you I'm sorry, and not the same. Atari makes our game? No, sir. THQ makes our game.
Oh, yeah.
Not Atari. And stop trying to make us do product placement, Zuko, because that's really lame. Selling out to the man like that. I know. Can you believe it? The sequel was better. But I'm asking you, please believe me. I gave up my throne for this. What do you say? I think he said he threw you a kiss. Whoa, back off! Personal boundaries, man. Huh? I desperately need a tan? Hey, I'll have you know my light complexion is a sign of noble blood. This is going nowhere.
Yeah.
Yip, yip.
There you go.
What are you trying to say, Captain Emo? I'm trying to say I want to join you guys. Now, I know I've made some mistakes, but the point is, I know my destiny is to help you learn firebending now. Can you forgive me?
Oh, wow. Really?
Who wrote this junk?
Yeah, those people apparently. Okay. So, yeah, that was pretty fun. I was kind of disappointed there were no Katara or Toph puppets, even though that joke was pretty funny about the toy line. Which, really, were there no toys of those two? I mean, they're the two best characters in the show, pretty much. And Toph especially, I thought she was super popular. And, wow, I really wonder what they did when it came time to make Korra toys. Since pretty much that show's all about, like, female characters and... yeah, I don't know. Probably weren't many Korra toys, which might be why they started doing weird stuff with the whole release of it in the latter seasons, doing it online only and whatever. But yeah, this was funny. It maybe went a little long with the whole them not hearing each other joke, but I guess that just built it up for that ending, which was pretty amusing. It was a good amount of silliness. And the puppets, they were definitely weird looking, but I guess I got used to them fairly quickly. It's certainly a different medium. I've never done a puppet thing before, really. Gotta wonder why there's no pony puppet content out there. There probably is somewhere. But yeah, this was fun. Hope you liked the commentary. Let me know if you did, and see you in the next one.